In this video, we will show you how to screenshot on Chrome web browser. If you want to screenshot just specific on the Chrome web browser content, and this is you can use two methods, but the second method is I think is the best. So just see this video until the end. Okay. First in here, actually Google Chrome web browser have screenshot features but is hidden. To do that, you can using this. Okay, this is the first method. You can go to the more tools here and choose developer tools, and in here you can click these three dot icons and click run command, and after the run command is appear, just type screenshot. Okay, you can screenshot note, screenshot full size, screenshot just this area, or just capture the screenshot that visible to you. If first you can using, okay, this is for try full size screenshot. It's okay, it's easy. You can see the result. Okay, but this is not perfect. On the web page, some image not appear. Let's using another. Okay, just using screenshot for note, for example here. Okay, we can just click save again and let's try. You can see using this Google Chrome default screenshot is scan without any application or extension that we need to install, but it's very have limitation. Okay, you can see if we click this area, okay, it's have the screenshot feature as default by Google Chrome. But this is, I think, the best method. You can use the screenshot extension, and this is the perfect results rather than using a developer screenshot on Google Chrome. Okay, in here you can click this three dot icon and choose extension and visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, this is the second method that we think is the best. You can just type screenshot. Okay, after you type screenshot, make sure you install, okay, Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot. You can see there. You can install this application. I already installed. You can see the different result when we using this extension and using the default screenshot from Google Chrome web browser. You can click this and click Awesome Screen Recorder and Screenshot. Okay, there is two tab, one for screenshot and the second for record. To take a screenshot, for example full page, you can click this and full page capturing, and the result is perfect. You can see the result is perfect. You can using crop, using any others tools here, blur or another. Okay, but you can just click done and you can click download or save here. You can click save and the result is very different. It's very perfect. Okay, for the full page, you can see there. And you can also using not full page, for example here you can using a visible part or selected area. This is area that you want. You can using manual like this. Okay, and we can click capture, then you can click download. It is the same if you select another like a visible part. You can just take a screenshot and the visible part automatically screenshot like this. Okay, and we think the second is the best. If you want just to screenshot inside Chrome web browser, more in here you can also using screen recorder inside the Google Chrome. So it's very helpful tools if you want to screenshot using Chrome web browser. That's our tutorial how to screenshot on Chrome. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.